How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Today, I want to find out which of these earbuds that I've picked out have the best microphones for voice calls. These are the latest true wireless earbuds released in 2019, and their prices could range anywhere from $49 to $299. Here are the contenders. Alright, we have the earphone free, $49, Creative Outlier Gold, $99, Samsung Galaxy Buds, $129, Klipsch T5 True Wireless Earbuds, $199, Sony WF-1000XM3 Earbuds, $230, Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds, $299. So bros, this is what's going to happen. I will play some background noise simulating a noisy cafe environment, and then I will record a voice memo on my phone using the earbuds. We'll start from the cheapest earbuds and move all the way to the most expensive one. Okay, so of course the cheapest one here I have is the earphone free true wireless earbuds, $49. We'll be starting with these ones. Let's do it. Background noise, earbuds, phone, record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So bros, tell me in the comments section below which earbuds sounded the best to you. To me, I look out for two specific factors when discerning voice call quality. The first factor, of course, is noise reduction. How much noise can the earbuds reduce while leaving my voice intact? This is very important for if you're using your earbuds in a noisy place for voice calls. And ideally, you should not be able to hear any hint of background noise at all, but you should be able to hear your voice clearly. And that leads me to the second factor. How natural does my voice sound through the earbuds? Because of how active noise reduction works, your voice can come through the earbuds sounding very unnatural, very artificial, even sounding like you are underwater. And of course, to counteract that, your earbuds may employ something called compression. Let me explain what that means. So, let's assume you're in a noisy place. It's inevitable that some background noise will blend in or mix in with your voice through the microphone. This is where noise reduction is useful, because noise reduction will chop off the parts of your voice that contains said background noise. But the result of that is some parts of your voice may appear muffled and softer than the other parts of your voice that's untouched. So compression is used here to boost up the parts of your voice that sounds a lot softer as a result of noise reduction, making your voice sound as loud and as clear as possible. But not all compression is done the same way, which is why my voice on some earbuds sound more natural than other earbuds. So, based on these two factors, I have discovered a few interesting things. I feel that the $230 Sony XM3 earbuds voice microphone quality is quite similar to the $49 Earphone Freeze voice mic. So either the Earphone Freeze voice microphone system is really good for its price point, or Sony cut corners in this department. I cannot decide which is it. Tell me in the comment section below, bros, what you think. We've also discovered that the Samsung Galaxy Buds have the most unnatural sounding voice of the group, but it does do a pretty good job cancelling background noise. This I gotta say. We also discovered that the Klipsch T5 true wireless earbuds employ the least amount of noise reduction of the group. This means that if you're in a very noisy place, it's quite likely that your voice might get drowned out by the background noise through the microphone. Okay, the time has come for us to declare a winner. I feel that the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds, retailing for $299, has the best voice microphone quality of the group. And this is because despite its phenomenal level of background noise reduction, my voice still sounds the most natural of the group. And this is likely due to the fact that Sennheiser is a pioneer in microphone technology, and they still pretty much are on the cutting edge of things, so they probably felt that there's a reputation to maintain with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. So yeah, I wouldn't really expect anything less from Sennheiser, really. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you think the Sennheisers have the best microphone quality from the recordings that you've just heard, or does your vote go to some other product like the Creative Outlier Gold or the Samsung Galaxy Buds? Tell me in the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron Design Wireless, and as always, if you like this video, if you found this video interesting and life-changing, please punch that like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. Of course, you gotta ensure that in YouTube settings, notifications is enabled, because if you don't enable notifications, YouTube will not inform you of new videos from my channel, even if you ring the bell. So be sure to do all that, and I'll see you again in the next one.